Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word families. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Families come in all shapes and sizes, but what matters most is the love and support they provide to each other. Families refer to groups of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption who share a bond, support each other, and often live together or maintain close relationships. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.